Yo YouTube, you know this is your boy DJ Cool Thing from Cool Thing Entertainment. And welcome back to another product unboxing. This one's of the Rockville RVSL1 tripod stands for both lighting and speakers. So we're going to get out the unboxing knife, as you can see here. And we got two of these stands, which is pretty cool. Let me see here. Alright, so definitely need to pull out the knife portion, which is a little sticky. Gotta wipe that off a little bit. We have to clean it off. So we're gonna unbox this these tripods. It's pretty cool. I guess we'll just cut open like so. It'll be a lot easier. And just cut open like so. Wow. So it comes with two of them, so that's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Come on. It's pretty cool. And there we go. Oh, okay, so there's two tripods in here. That's pretty cool. It's pretty neat. Woo! RVSL1. Made in China. But you never know. It could actually... Wow! That's pretty cool. So we're going to go ahead and unbox. These are the Rockville RVSL1 tripods, which is pretty cool. I'm looking forward to using these things with my lighting. Come on. Or maybe just open it up from the side here. That's pretty cool. So these stands are very versatile. Unlike the ADJ LTS6, because the ADJ LTS6 light bar, it kind of broke on the first day, which goes to show that the build quality of the ADJ light bar is not that great. The Rockville. Whoo! That's pretty cool. That's pretty neat. Whoo! So it comes in different pieces. That's pretty cool. That's pretty neat. The Rockville RVSL1 tripod, so they could use this as figure stands, which I think is really neat. Wow, that's pretty neat. Let me just slide it out here. Sometimes it's really hard to get each of the pieces out. It would be really nice to put these things together. And see, this is the Rockville RVSL1 tripod stands. amazing. Different pieces from Rockville. Woo! Okay. So it comes with 2 sidebars, which have holes on them, which I think is really neat. Woo! So it does come with mounting screws for the par cans, which I think is really nice. It's a good thing we put the old ones away. Wow. The actual legs. This is the actual tripod itself. That is really neat. That is really neat. Sidebars, which have holes on them. Not bad at all. It should be very easy to put it together, which we'll do in the next clip. Wow. Different, wow. Whoo! Man, these are nice. Wow. Whoo! Man. So it comes with one of these tightening mounting brackets. That's pretty neat. So, heavy duty lining tree stand with sidebars. And, okay, thank you for purchasing a Rockville product. Okay, so that's really neat. Wow. Okay, so these are the sidebars. As you can see, there's like it holds like 4 different par cans on each lining tree. That is super neat. That is awesome. Wow. Amazing. That is super cool, guys. Man. Whoo. Okay. That is super neat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring you guys up so I can show you guys this stand and how to put it together. Okay, so there's a lighting bar with adjustment knob, which can be used as a speaker stand, which can be, double as a speaker stand with the JBL EL612s. Hopefully it'll work. Mounting screws for the par cans. It's going to look really nice. So we'll put this over to the side. We'll put the lighting system together to show you guys what it's going to look like. All we need is the replacement par can and the DMX cables. So got that going on. We definitely need the second lighting stand. Now I know why it's so heavy. It's wow. So these are the Rockville RVSL1 tripod stands, which is really cool for the lighting, mixed in with the speakers. So speakers and lighting put together in one, which makes it amazing, just having all this. So these are the 2 sidebars, which hold up to 4 par cans, 2 on each side, and you can DMX them together. That is really neat. And we do the same thing right here. the best thing to do is to unbox it. Just tear the box open. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Just unbox it. See, that's the best thing to do is when it's laying flat, just stick it through the side here. So it'll work, especially when it's multiple pieces. Wow, that's enough to get to get all this stuff out. Which isn't too bad. Oh well, it's a little cut, it's not too bad. Wow. So these stands here is a good all-in-one. Yeah, it makes a good all-in-one lighting stand. Wow. Packaged up really good. Well, at least these didn't get damaged in packaging like the park cans did. Wow. It's packaged up really good. Holy moly. It's all taped up and yeah. Wow. This one is packaged up really good. Like, wow. Wow. Amazing. Packaged up really tight. Wow. Wow, packaged up really nice and can get it unwrapped. So that's pretty much everything we need. Wow, packaged up really nice. And these stands are really going to help me out as a DJ. Come on. Okay, so we got our nuts and bolts for each of the par cans. Here's the other one. And just slide it out like so. This is the ADJ LTS6 light bar, or the LS1. Sorry about that. I'm used to saying ADJ, but this is Rockville. And wow, props to Rockville for making a really nice lighting stand. Woo! You also could use a speaker stand, so we're going to put my JBLs on there. And just another manual, user's manual. Nothing to it. Wow. That is really nice. Very nice high quality metal from Rockville. Wow. We're going to put this over to the side. Wow. It's amazing. So, I'm going to bring you guys up. See you guys in the next clip. Okay, we fixed you guys. There you go. And this, I guess this goes right on top of here. Here we go, just stick it through here. Just slide it in like so. Wow, so you can use them as speaker stands because you got the mounts here, the brackets for putting a speaker. That's neat. These are really tall. Holy smokes, these things are tall. Wow. Unbelievable. This right here. Oh, okay, it's much, I guess it's a shorter one, a shorter piece. Alright, so this one has the double, this one has a single. I don't know why. I don't know what that's for. You know what each of these pieces do. Alright, so wow, okay, so these are the lighting stands / speaker stands from Rockville, the RVSL1s. This is just the unboxing. Okay, so you got two of these mounting brackets here. Wow. Okay, so okay, so it's got different screws that most of them can come with, but it's a really good speaker stand / lighting stand put together. I think it's pretty cool. So we'll figure the rest of this out, like how to put the sidebars on here. I guess something like this. Oh, okay, so I guess with these screws here, you put it in through here, put that onto there. But it's a really good lighting stand for what it is. All from Rockville Audio. Documentation. But yeah, you know, these are the lighting stands. That's what we see here. Let's see. And just unscrew it. Bring it down like so. We're going to put them over here to the side. That'll work for right now, so we can figure the rest of the stuff out. These are really nice. Really nice stands for both lighting and speakers. The RVSL1 stands, so hope that well, that marks the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a brand new video. Till next time, your boy DJ Cool Thing from Cool Thing Entertainment out. Peace.